Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss the next topic or next chapter, that is respiration and circulation. Okay, then we know that is there are our body which is made by different system, and in that one of the system that is respiration and one of the system is circulation. We know that is respiration, which is a respiratory system which is depend on one of the organ that is called as the lungs, and circulation which is depend on the heart. Okay, this what is the work of this lung and what is the work of this heart, we will discuss in this chapter. In that, from these two systems, firstly we will discuss about the respiration. We know that in our body respiratory system which is present, and in that what happen here, that is formation of energy. Respiratory system present आहे म्हणजे तिथे काय होणार आहे, this respiratory system which is responsible to formation of energy. आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे की we know that is exchange of gases, that is called as the respiration. Exchange of gases, that is called as the respiration. Exchange of gases means what? That is we take the oxygen inside and release the CO2 from our body. That is called as the exchange of gases, and this process which is called as the respiration. In this process of respiration, the complex compound which is present, and this inorganic or organic compound that is in the form of glucose molecule which is oxidized, and it form the energy molecule. Okay, 38 ATP molecule which is formed, that is C6H12O6 which is oxidized, one of the organic compound which is oxidized to that of the oxygen, means 6 molecule of O2 combines to that of the organic compound, and this convert into that of the organic compound, convert into that of the 6 molecule of CO2, it release the 6 molecule of CO2, 6 molecule of water, and it liberates the water, and it form the 38 ATP molecule. Alakshat, we are saying that energy molecule which is formed in the process of respiration. So how it possible? That is organic compound combined to that of the oxygen. When we take the oxygen inside, at that time it combines to organic compound and it forms the 6 molecule of CO2, 6 molecule of water, and 38 ATP molecules are formed. Okay, energy which is responsible it play important role in our body, because without the energy we cannot done any work. For the every work or for the every metabolic activities, energy which is important, and this energy which is comes from this respiratory process. Okay, so this respiratory process or respiration which is seen into that of the plant system or into that of the animal system. When we see in the respiration in the plant, at that time how it done, or by which process, that is the or which organs which is responsible for the respiration in the plant system. We know that in the plant which is made by different parts, that is the leaf, after that stem, and the roots. And most important thing is that this process, respiratory process, which is seen into that of the flowering plant. Okay, flowering plant or non-flowering plant, in that is leaf, stem and roots are play important role for the respiration. When we see the leaf, okay, when we take the transverse section or tiers of stem or the leaves, we know that like that of structure which is seen of the leaf. Okay, it is, for example, it is one of the leaf and it is one of the stem. On that stem, numbers of cells or numbers on the stem of bark. Firstly, you have to see here, that is the leaf. This leaf, when we टेक द टीएस म्हणजे आपण याला असं कट केलं तर कट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला इथे वेगवेगळे स्ट्रक्चर दिसेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, नंबर्स ऑफ सेल्स आर प्रेझेंट इन दॅट दिस different mesophyll cell or different cells are present, and in that is like that of structure. Okay, it is not more, हे इथे इम्पॉर्टंट नाही, फक्त इथे तुम्हाला हे सांगायचं आहे की प्लांट मध्ये रेस्पिरेशन जेव्हा होत आहे तर विच पार्ट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लीफ घेतला, आता प्लांट जो आहे तो वेगवेगळ्या पार्टनी बनलेला आहे, लीफ, स्टेम और रूट. तर आपण जेव्हा लीफ घेतो तर लीफचं जर आपण टीएस घेतलं तर यावेळेस आपल्याला जे आउटर एपिडर्मल वॉल आहे त्या आउटर एपिडर्मल वॉलवर नंबर्स ऑफ स्टोमॅटाज आर प्रेझेंट. त्या वॉलवर आपल्याला काय दिसतील, stomatas are present. Stomata means what? That is the numbers of pores which is present on the epidermal wall. Okay. आता जर हे अशा प्रकारचे pores जे आहेत ते आपल्याला outer epidermis वर दिसेल. ठीक आहे. Okay. And these pores which is responsible for these pores which is responsible for the respiration, and this pores which is called as the stomata. Okay, this stomata or stoma which is responsible to exchange the gases, means take oxygen inside and release outside the CO2. Okay, means through these pores, or it is also called as the stomata. These numbers of stomata which is present inside the leaf and it is responsible for respiration. Through this pore, the water will becomes or oxygen take inside and CO2 which is released outside from this plant system or leaf system. Okay, this stomata responsible for respiration in the plant. Another thing, when we see the stem of bark of stem, म्हणजे जी खोड असते स्टेमचं, त्याच्यामध्ये इथे नंबर्स ऑफ आपल्याला काय दिसते, नंबर्स ऑफ lenticels are present. These lenticels which is responsible for the exchange of gases in the plant system. Okay, these two organs which is responsible for exchange of gases, and one of the stomata and one of the lenticels. Stomata which is present in the leaf and lenticels which is present on the bark of stem. Okay, जर याच्यावर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन आला शॉर्टली वन सेंटेन्स म्हणा किंवा MCQ मध्ये, तर तुम्हाला सांगता यायला पाहिजे की प्लांट सिस्टीम मध्ये लीफ मध्ये आपल्याला स्टोमॅटा इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रेस्पिरेशन and lenticel which is responsible for the respiration in the stem